chick is getting rid of any competition. It wants its mother's sole attention. Feeding time. Something has changed. But what? The sight of her chick's bright orange mouth demands that she brings more food. The egg weighs almost as much as the chick. It's like pushing a boulder uphill. The chick has a hollow in its back that helps it maneuver its load. The mother's brood has been reduced to just this one chick, and it now has her total attention. Every day for over 3 weeks, she brings it dozens of meals. Her chick never seems to stop eating or stop growing. There is another drongo's nest nearby, and that has 3 chicks in it, but they don't look quite the same as hers. That is because she's raising an alien. The chick of a cuckoo. Cuckoos lay their eggs in the nests of other birds and leave the hard labour of rearing the chick to someone else. The cuckoo's egg matched the drongo's egg so perfectly that this foster mother has been completely deceived. Over at the other drongo nest, the chicks are now fledging. Their parents have succeeded in producing their very own next generation, while she has raised a monster.